back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscription button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's chat in the comment section. I know I often forget to say this, but you know I want to say it. I mean to say it. So just hit that subscription button, please, and the notification bell as well. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 tips to get your first stay, your first complimentary stay, as they call it at Great Huts, without paying a dime. So the first tip, and I think this is, they're all important, but this is vital. This is important. The first tip I would say that will get you that complimentary stay is to make sure that your channel is in order. Make sure you have probably not everything, but make sure most things are in order. What's your channel name? What is your channel about? Make sure you fill out the about section. Make sure you have a channel art, a banner. Make sure you have some playlists organized. Make sure that they can relate somehow. They can see where your channel will reach some of their market segment. If you take a look on my channel, I try to structure it in a way that it shows what my channel is doing. So I do a lot of food videos. I talk about different cultures. So my experience living in Switzerland as a Jamaican, you know, and I show beautiful places when I visit nice places. So immediately they'll see, okay, this channel is about food, culture, and travel. You know, does this fit anywhere within our realm? And would she possibly have some clients for us, you know, that might be interested in our hotel? Of course, because we're doing beautiful places, we're doing food, we're doing culture. So of course we'll have some people who might be interested in hotels. Tip number 2. All right, do not reach out to every single hotel or hotel types. Be a little bit more specific. Make sure that your mission or your purpose matches the purpose of the hotel somehow. Make sure you share a similar audience somehow. I, for example, wouldn't go to certain hotels like a luxurious hotel. I wouldn't, because that doesn't speak to me very much. And it would be nice, but I don't think my channel reflects luxury. So they might think twice to do a partnership with me, you know. So be careful who you reach out to, and make sure it's a hotel in your niche, you know, you can really represent their brand. And number 3, people have different ways of doing this, approaching this, and it's pitching to the hotel. So I've heard so many ways of doing it, but to be honest, how we did it, we just sent an email. But as I said, my sister is a killer writer. She writes, she doesn't use words carelessly. She writes to get an impact. And I think that email we wrote really impacted whoever read it. And it got them, it spoke to them. So even though we are a small YouTube channel with less than 1,000 subscribers, yeah, they decided, yeah, why not? You guys come on down and let's do it. Let's partner together. So, and listen, not everybody is good with words. I'm not good with words. I cannot put pen and paper and write something. I've been wanting to write a book for ages, but it just doesn't work. So do not be afraid to ask for help. If you need help from a family or somebody, don't be afraid, because my sister knows what my channel is about. We sat down, we did it together. She knows what I want to do, and who I want to reach. And we sat down and we wrote that pitch and then sent it as an email. Some hotels will ask you for more. They'll ask you for your analytics. So like how many views you have per video, or your average view rate. They will ask you where are the countries, the people that you're reaching out to, you know. So where you can start from is sending an email, a very impactful email. Or you can just jump ahead and give them everything, like give them a media kit. I would say, as a small YouTuber, don't jump ahead and give a media kit, because to be honest, we don't have numbers that are impressive. It's more use your intentions. Tell them what you want to do. Impress them with your words, and yeah, you should be fine. So those are the 3 tips that I have to share with you. Make sure your channel is in order. Make sure you reach out to the right hotels that reflect your brand and you can reflect their brand well. And number 3, pitch. Get a killer pitch. And this can be done via email, or in some cases even Instagram, because some hotels, they have a social media department, and that's how they communicate. But never send your first Instagram message like, can we do a collaboration, impress them a little bit. Let them feel good. You're doing a good job. I love your hotel. I've seen it. I've visited, or, something, and I would want to share it with my audience. Right. So that's it for me in this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. And until next time, we might have a new hotel to review. Who knows? See you next time. Bye, guys.